This video is to walk you through and show you the power of the fresh Smart Embed Widget. So here we go. So let's go to the widget. Once you install the widget, you will see this main screen. All you need to do is to click on Create Widget. Super easy to do. Give it a name, description so you like. And the power of this widget is that in any page that you embed, the widget is going to use our AI algorithms to pick out the most relevant product to show on that page. So what that means is, let me show you one example here. Let's say that this is our blog, and on the right side here, you see, let me refresh really quick so it knows the live page. The right side here is the fresh embed widget. So what it does is it pick out, it knows this content, this article to talk about summer, talk about fashion. So it's going to show you summer fashion from my stores, right? If you go to a different articles, for example, let's go to a random articles here. Let's go to this article, for example. Right? It picks out that you talk about dresses, so it's going to show the dresses in your store. Right? Super easy to work with. Let's look at another fashion article. Again, it's very easy to put together. Let me show you one more time here. Let's say this article talk about handbag. Right? It's going to pick that up. It's going to show you handbag all in the single widget. How to do that? Let me show you really quick. Very easy. After you created a widget, you're going to see this box right here that the key tell you this is based on Smart Widget keyword technology. If you click on the gear icon, which was a setup, now, the first thing you want to do is give it a fallback. So meaning if there's no relevant products, what do you want it to show? And I always like to put in latest products so we can show them our latest and greatest, but you can choose what you want. You can choose latest product or give it a collections within your store. And then here, you can tell them what keyword to ignore. Let me give you one example here. So for example, you can tell them to ignore your brand name or names or words or keywords that you use frequently, but it's not related to your products. So it doesn't mess up with your search. And then in the display tab, you can get to choose how do you want the widget to display the products. Rows or columns? Do you want to show the shop icons, shop buttons, change the color, change the font? You can even embed your own custom CSS. That's right, you can change almost anything about this widget so that it fits right into your content. Looks really native for you. All you need to do after all the changes is grab the embed code, dump it in Shopify, WordPress, or whichever platform that you use that will take HTML, JavaScript. And that's it. Let the widget and our algorithm do the rest. It will always show you the most relevant content, so your visitors are going to see the product and the content go together. There's no more work to be done, guys, and that's pretty much it. So welcome. If you like what you're using, give us a 5-star reviews for Fresh Smart Widget app. If any feedback, contact us. We are here to help. We want to make sure that you are selling more and more every day on Shopify.